Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use function keys on this laptop. So the function keys are located at the top of your keyboard right here, from F1 to F12. They have both primary and secondary functions. The primary functions are enabled by default, and they are the same for each PC, each keyboard, but their functions are different for each application that you use. So for example, F1 will call the help menu in most applications. The F5 will refresh or reload an application. Now the F11 will put your device on the full screen, and F12, for example, will open browser developer tools. Now, to enable secondary functions, press F1 button once and make sure that the light appears in the top right corner of the key. Then you can use secondary functions of your function keys, and they are the following. For example, F1 will decrease the screen brightness, F2 will increase your screen brightness, F3 will toggle your touchpad, F4 disables system audio, F5 decreases sound volume, F6 increases it, F7 mutes your microphone and unmutes it too, F8 toggles your web camera, F9 changes the projection type for your if you have a monitor connected to your laptop. F10 will open the HONOR PC Manager app if you have it installed on your PC. F11 will open the side menu, and F12 is for taking a screenshot. And you can also change the backlight of your keyboard by holding down the F1 button and pressing F1 key to toggle the backlight of your keyboard. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.